Describe the asexual and sexual phases of life cycle of Plasmodium that causes malaria in humans. So Plasmodium requires host for reproduction. Basically, malaria is caused by the biting of female Anopheles mosquito to the healthy human being releasing Plasmodium. So here Plasmodium causes malaria, but it is spread by female Anopheles mosquito. So basically when it bites a healthy human being, it releases Plasmodium which lives in an infectious form. So basically the Plasmodium is an infectious form called sporozoite. Now this sporozoite undergoes asexual reproduction when the parasites burst the liver cells by multiplying itself that are released into the blood. So you can see in this figure, these sporozoites are entered into the liver and these parasites burst the liver cells by multiplying itself and these are released into the blood. So again it bursts the RBCs by entering the RBC cells. So now from liver cells to RBC cells, it enters into the RBC cells and then it bursts the RBC cells, multiplying by the means of asexual reproduction. So when it bursts the RBC cells, along with the bursting of RBC cells, a toxic element called hemozoin is released. So this toxin, which is called hemozoin, this causes chill in the body of the human being. Now, gametocytes. So these gametocytes, they multiply forming from the sporozoites that multiply sexually. So these gametocytes are introduced into the mosquito when the female Anopheles mosquito bites the deceased person. So at this stage, the gametocyte stage, when this Anopheles mosquito bites a infected person, these gametocytes are introduced into the mosquito. So these gametocytes again they form sporozoites by fertilizing inside the intestine of the mosquito. So here you can see in the mosquito gut, and from then these sporozoites they fertilize inside the intestine of the mosquito, and these sporozoites are stored in the salivary glands of mosquito. So from the intestine of the mosquito, then it goes to the salivary glands where these sporozoites are stored. So when these sporozoites are released, a healthy person will get malaria. So these sporozoites are released when these Anopheles mosquito bites a healthy human being and it causes malaria.